As it's me, Islam Basket. Today I'm making a surface video. So let's begin. Please subscribe to my channel. This is part 2 of it, not part 2. We're just playing it again. Next video, maybe we'll play Kick the Buddy. Just subscribe. If we reach, if we reach 13 subscribers, we'll make a Kick the Buddy video. Guys, please subscribe. I'll make a Kick the Buddy video. I'll make a TikTok video also if you want. So fast, so good. So fast, so good. Oh, not so far, not so good. So what's the fast? I didn't get a hard score. Let's go. Oh. Okay, guys. So, oh my God. Oh yeah. Crunch is the baddest. Backflip. Yeah. I can't do a backflip. I can front flip. That's amazing. I died. That's amazing. So now I'll be so quiet that you can't even hear me. Can you hear me now? Yeah, you can hear me now. But before you couldn't even hear me. Oh yeah, jet ski I think. Oh yeah, at the same time, I'm a hat trick. Oh yeah. Bye. So guys, when I die, the video is over. Sorry for making a short video, but if I don't die, it's not even going to be a short video. I'm a master. That's how I die. Okay guys, that's enough for today. Bye. Okay, let's see what is it. Okay, it's a schedule. That's it for today. And so guys, wow, we got a high score. Okay, for sure. Bye.